Until recently, consumers had to make major compromises in terms of quality, performance, and battery life to find a cheap pair of true wireless earbuds. Luckily, that's not the case anymore, and I'm constantly researching, evaluating, and testing true wireless earbuds to determine which are the best under $100. Key features: 11mm audio drivers, multi-mode noise cancellation, IPX5 rating for water resistance, up to 7 hours of battery life, 35 hours with charging case. Anker's Soundcore Life P3 True Wireless Earbuds are our favorite pair of cheap wireless earbuds. For less than just $80, the buds offer a comfy fit, enjoyable sound with robust noise cancellation, solid battery life, top-tier performance during calls, and a case with onboard wireless charging, which we love. There are several colors to pick from: black, white, coral red, and a couple of shades of blue. The P3's sound and noise cancellation are adjustable via a companion app. In addition to offering a ton of customization controls, the app impressed me by offering a selection of soothing sounds that I could combine into a unique soundscape. The latter helped me focus on work and unwind after long writing sessions equally well. Key features: 7mm audio drivers, IPX5 rating for water resistance, up to 8 hours of battery life, 24 hours with charging case. If you don't like to deal with stems, the One More Color Buds 2 is the best under $100 true wireless set for you. The buds have a sleek and compact design, making their AirPods resembling rivals look bulky. You can snag the earbuds in black, white, or gold with a matching wireless charging case. The Color Buds 2 will get you adequate noise cancellation and a sonic experience personalized to your exact hearing. Courtesy of Sound ID Tech, the last mentioned bit is remarkable for such an affordable product and why you should press the buy button. Key features: 6mm audio drivers, IPX4 rating for water resistance, companion app, up to 10 hours of battery life, 20 hours with charging case. If you are a discerning audiophile with a sub-$100 upgrade budget, consider the Sony WFC 500. The compact buds trade the lack of noise cancellation for a higher fidelity, infinitely customizable sound whose overall quality is the best on this list. In a price category full of bass-forward offerings, the WFC 500 always entertained me with a balanced and detail-rich sonic experience. The entry-level Sony earbuds also impressed me with stellar battery life, though I wish their case had a larger capacity since it only holds one extra charge, and wireless charging isn't available. You can grab a pair in black or white. Key features: 7mm audio drivers, IPX5 rating for water resistance, up to 6 hours of battery life, 24 hours with charging case. If comfort is your biggest priority, the One More Comfo Buds Mini are the true wireless earbuds you've been looking for. The earbuds are impossibly tiny and, weighing just 3.7 grams each, just as lightweight, and are well worth dropping an entire Benjamin on. While putting them through their paces, their compact and understated design made me feel like I was wearing tiny earplugs, not a feature-rich audio device. The ComfBuds Mini earbuds have similarly sized audio drivers and Sound ID Tech as the Color Buds 2 I already mentioned. However, their compact size will require more frequent trips to their wireless charging compatible case. Key features: 6mm audio drivers, IP55 rating for water and dust resistance, tactile button controls, up to 7 hours of battery life, 28 hours with charging case. Jabra's Elite 3 wireless earbuds offer the best bass experience in their price range. By combining a snug fit with a perfect in-ear seal and powerful audio drivers, the earphones produce a rich and booming bass that's insanely entertaining. Their sound is adjustable via a mobile app. While testing the Elite 3, I marveled at the earbuds' high-quality noise isolation, whose effectiveness rivals the active noise cancellation of similarly priced rivals. I could tune out pesky ambient noises just by placing the buds in my ears, effectively replacing a pair of high-quality earplugs. There's even an ambient mode for maintaining a connection with your surroundings.